Hi, this is the Authentic Shop Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Pyramid North. Uji, how do you feel about the game, Namhlanje?
No, itlange kahle ngwana baba.
Yeah.
Paramedics I tell anu I tlangela ku defender. Anyway, 1 point away from home is better than
For
nothing.
bona,
Yeah.
So,
So we failed to score. Finally accept.
yeah, I finally accept as long as we keep a clean sheet.
No, clean sheet is nothing, Brian Mina, because we are playing for points.
Yeah.
And away you need to draw. Home you need to collect point. So look, collected point home.
Yeah.
It's difficult to collect point away.
Away, ne?
So, but anyway, this is the part of and parcel of football.
Yeah, but I think Sundowns most of the time it is away. In like look under pressure, they tend to win games. Maybe it's strategy.
But I mean, football are there for.
Yeah.
We can play good football away, but we fail to score and we fail to collect points.
Yeah,
that's nothing.
Yeah,
we need to collect points
at home, especially at home.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We need to collect points at home, but anyway, we play good football. But
you're not happy. Yeah?
I'm not happy.
Not happy. Yeah.
Draw 4 points. We got 4 points.
4 points. I think how many games? Three games. Ne?
Yes.
No, let's hope that next time when we are away, we can score maybe at least 1 or 2 goals.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Yeah,
and what was I saying? The way I got session amount. Bolo ko ifika le batla ba kora and then ina ibacha.
Exactly, that's the thing. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
No, let's hope we're with Akora and Imane, who was the man of the match?
Ako na man of the match.
Okay, thank you.